Well, it's July 23rd, and as you can see, it's raining pretty hard. And we have the puppies out on the front porch, and we're getting a little bit wet. But they're not scared. They're exploring. Puff. Don't go out there too far, Puff. You're going to get wet. Thank you, Puff. Good girl. They're down there. Shoo, you're gonna fall. Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo. Well, there goes my puppy. Oh, she came back in. Not a very wide ledge there, but she made it. Shoo, shoo. Leave it. Leave it. Well, let's see how long they leave that poor little plant. Leave it. Okay, I've got to go rescue my plant. There goes my puppy, again trying to kill herself. Yes, that's you. And there he is. He's licking toes. Tenderizing his supper. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Grease stain on my chair. As you can see, there have been many poor little bites to this poor little plant, and nobody's gotten sick from it, so that's a good thing. Yes, it's a good thing. Oh, looks like the storm's done. Well, that's good. And they came through it. So, night.